Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this practicum, I implemented object-oriented programming concept by creating a simple employee management system using Apache NetBeans. The objective of this project is to demonstrate to use encapsulation, constructor overloading, inheritance, and method utilization in Java. Okay, first I created one Java project in Apache NetBeans. Inside this project, I created three separate class files, namely karyawan, manager, and then main. Each class has a different role in representing the OOP concept. Okay, for the first one, karyawan. The karyawan class acts as the base of the parent class. In this class, I applied the concept of encapsulation, declaring the attributes name and the gaji pokok or basic salary as private. This ensures that the data cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. To allow controlled access to these attributes, I implemented setter getter methods in here, return nama. The setter methods are used to modify the values, and then while the getter methods are used to retrieve the values, here the return and this. And then for this one is the encapsulation, the private one. And then a default constructor that initialize the name of an empty string of the basic salary 0, and then a last one, a parameterized constructor that accepts name and basic salary values. And then moving on to the manager class. The manager class is a derived class that extends the karyawan class. In here, it can show the extend karyawan. It means the derived class of the karyawan class, which demonstrate the concept of inheritance. By using inheritance, the manager class automatically inherits all public methods and attributes accessors from the karyawan class. In this class, I added a new attribute called allowance or tunjangan, which represent additional income specific to managers. And then the constructor in the manager class here use the super keyword to pass the name and basic salary values to the constructor of the parent class. Furthermore, I created a method called get gaji bersih, which calculates the return of the total salary defined of the sum of basic salary. And then for the last one, the main class function as the driver class of the program. In this class, I created objects from both the karyawan and manager classes to demonstrate how the system works. First, I initiated the karyawan object using the parameterized constructor to show constructor overloading. Then I created a manager object to demonstrate the inheritance and the use of super keyword. And then I will try to run it. Now, in here it will be shown the program display of the output in a structure and readable format using system out print. And then for the manager object is the same, and will be for the output it will show the salary, the name, and then the allowance, just like the system out print ln. That's all from me. Thanks for watching.